I'm Julie Maioli.
And I'm Ed Schneider. This is USA2Ride TV. USA2Ride TV is brought to you by Next North America, the world's coolest motorcycle helmets, 7i by Pin Optics Premium Performance Eyewear, and Motor-Café, ride safely and in style with Motor-Café. Have you ever heard of a small town just 30 minutes from Naples, Florida called Ave Maria?
Yes, Ave Maria is a planned college town that was built just about 10 years ago by a development company led by Tom Monaghan, the founder of Domino's Pizza.
The city is home to Ave Maria University and revolves around a quaint town center that features the beautiful Ave Maria Oratory.
Ave Maria also offers a few dining options that are worth visiting.
That's right, Julie, and we wanted to show our friends what Ave Maria is all about. So we got everyone together at Motor-Café in Fort Lauderdale and went for a ride aboard a Can-Am Spyder provided by BRP and Broward Motorsports.
It was a perfect day among friends, riding the super smooth Spyder RT and experiencing the great lunch at the pub at Ave Maria. This is what it looked like.